Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. When evaluating which e-commerce platform to build your online business on, most entrepreneurs would probably say that affordable pricing, visually appealing design capabilities, and ease of use are the most important factors. And those elements are definitely critical to consider. However, in my opinion, the single most important consideration is how broad the quality of the app ecosystem that the platform offers. And here's why. Having access to a vast library of powerful third-party apps and tools for your e-commerce store can quite literally make or break your ability to smoothly grow and successfully scale up your business over time. If your chosen e-commerce platform has limitations or gaps that prevent you from expanding your capabilities, then your potential for sustainable growth will ultimately be severely limited. And the great news here is that Shopify's App Store is by far the most extensive e-commerce app ecosystem available. It grants Shopify merchants access to over 6,000 different apps and counting across every business function imaginable. So in this comprehensive video, we're going to be breaking down 10 of the most valuable categories of free apps available to install in the Shopify App Store right now. But before we get into the apps themselves, I want to offer one quick but very important word of advice. You should resist the urge to overload your Shopify store upfront with an endless array of apps right out of the gate. Yes, these tools can be extraordinarily helpful for enhancing specific elements of your business, but if you add too many, you may risk severely slowing down your site's overall page load speeds, which cripples conversion rates. According to insightful research conducted by HubSpot, sites with less than 2-second page load times boasted conversion rates a whopping 200% higher than sites with 6+ second load times. So while the bells and whistles offered by apps can certainly be tempting, try to exercise restraint and prioritize only the highest impact apps that will provide maximum benefit. And do that without compromising your site performance. Moderation here is key. And with that said, we're going into the 10 great categories of free apps available in the Shopify App Store that are definitely worth exploring and installing to amplify your e-commerce business. First up, we have the customer product reviews. At this point, we all clearly understand how pivotal quality social proof is in the form of customer reviews when it comes to boosting your conversion rates and overall sales. So having some sort of polished integrated customer reviews app installed on your Shopify store is absolutely essential. Fortunately, Shopify's own free product reviews app makes it incredibly quick and easy to add custom review functionality to your product pages right out of the box. It seamlessly matches the design style of your active theme for a visibly cohesive look across your store. The main limitation here is that it currently only supports text-based reviews without the ability to collect photo or video testimonials. But to get started, it's a fantastic free baseline option. Then down the road, if you find yourself needing capabilities like visual reviews, there are apps like Stamped.io or for example Loox that offer these features through generously unlimited free plans or low-cost paid plans. Either way, a polished reviews app should be one of your first app installs. Next up are the loyalty and rewards programs. This can be an extremely effective way to offer some sort of loyalty or VIP program that actively incentivizes and rewards your existing customers for their repeated business and engagement through exclusive perks and benefits. This helps you increase customer lifetime value by driving higher retention and order frequency over an extended period of time. Platforms like Smile.io, Sweet Tooth Rewards, and Rival make it exceedingly simple to set up a customized loyalty program complete with point systems. You can have referral programs and way more. Many offer unlimited or very generous free plans to get started. Simply install the app and they'll handle tracking engagement points, configuring your rewards catalog, creating pop-ups and notifications to show member progress. You'll also be getting everything else required to run and manage the backend of your program. This is one of the smartest moves that you can make to boost repeat business and gain invaluable customer data and feedback. Coming in at number 3 are the dedicated landing page builder apps. These empower you to design completely custom landing pages, lead gen funnels, coming soon or maintenance mode pages, and so much more without needing to know how to code. Options like Pagefly, Landify, and Shogun place stunning drag and drop page builders right at your fingertips. They offer hundreds of professionally designed templates, elements like countdown timers or e-commerce components, and one-click customization to create exactly the landing experience that you have in mind. Most leading builders offer free plans, but they limit how many pages you can build or publish, which is understandable. But they still provide an excellent starting point before upgrading. At number 4, we have digital downloads, which is another category of apps you'll absolutely want to look into, which enable you to seamlessly sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, videos, photos, and more directly through your Shopify store. These apps cleanly integrate with your checkout process so that once a customer completes their purchase, they're instantly granted access. They'll also be given the licensing and downloads for the associated digital products. You've got options like easy digital downloads, SendOwl, and digital downloads by Shopify to handle the secure delivery, permissions, hosting for your digital inventory. At number 5, we have the live chat support. This offers a real-time live chat and messaging capabilities on your store that allows prospective customers to immediately get any questions answered or any issues resolved before leaving your site. This level of instant engagement drastically improves conversion rates compared to purely passive communication channels. You've got apps like TDO, Channel.io, and My Ally all offer relatively generous free live chat plans with 14-day trials in most cases. They seamlessly integrate natively into your Shopify storefront. You can even use included AI chatbots to automate common questions for when you're offline. If you sell complex products, live chat is a must-have tool for boosting on-site conversions. On number 6, we have recurring payments and subscriptions. Speaking of automating key processes, apps for recurring payments and subscription billing are another free category that can provide tremendous long-term value. Platforms like Recharge, Bold Subscriptions, and Payworld dramatically simplify setting up flexible recurring payment and also subscription workflows for both physical and digital products. This empowers you to seamlessly bill customers automatically on whatever schedule you choose rather than forcing them to manually remember to reorder every time. Most of the apps charge small transaction fees, but you only pay them if a successful renewal payment is processed. The rest of the functionality is totally free. Leveraging recurring revenue and subscription models helps massively boost customer lifetime value over time. Coming in at number 7 is the print-on-demand category of apps. Print-on-demand essentially enables you to offer customized physical products like clothing, phone cases, and more without the need to pay for and hold any business inventory yourself. When an order comes in, the print-on-demand services handles manufacturing the item to the customer's specifications, packaging, shipping, and fulfillment automatically while you simply collect your set profit margin. Platforms like Printful and Printify make it remarkably easy to design products using mock-up generators and then sync your inventory. You incur zero upfront costs, overhead, or risks. You only pay a small printing fee per order when you actually make a successful sale. And on number 8, we have the pre-order app integrations. Yet another offering to look into is the pre-order apps, which allow you to easily advertise upcoming or currently out-of-stock products that customers can reserve in advance. Platforms like Pre-Order or Alpha Pre-Order and TimesAct all provide free Shopify integrations that make it a breeze to promote pre-order availability and perks across your store. Offering pre-orders can help you substantially validate demand and gauge interest for a new product launch. It also enables smarter inventory planning. Additionally, allowing customers to pre-order often increases urgency and purchase likelihood rather than just email signups. On number 9, we have affiliate marketing programs. Transitioning into acquisition and marketing focused apps, affiliate programs are a phenomenal free option on Shopify. Affiliate programs essentially incentivize your existing customers and brand advocates to actively refer new customers for special discounts, rewards, or commissions on their purchases. Tools like Refersion, UpPromote, and Gleam.io make launching your own turnkey affiliate program effortless. They instantly generate custom referral links and landing pages, automate coupon creation, and provide affiliate network management and deep analytics, all 100% free. And finally, tying everything together is the email marketing and automation. Capturing website visitors' email addresses allow you to continue marketing directly to prospects and customers after they've left your online store. Email still delivers the highest conversion rates and ROI of any singular marketing channel today. That's why tightly integrating a top-tier email platform like MailChimp, Klaviyo, Privy with your Shopify store is absolutely vital. Fortunately, most leading email services offer generous free plans with deep Shopify integrations to get started. I also highly recommend exploring Shopify Email. It's specifically built for Shopify, integrates seamlessly, uses your brand colors and products, and best of all, it's 100% free to use with unlimited emails. I hope that this overview gives you ideas and inspiration in which apps to start experimenting with first. Let us know in the comments which apps you find most helpful, and if you found this video to be of value, let us know by leaving a like and subscribing so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.